Are you thinking about breaking into the tech industry but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll outline the key technologies you need to learn to launch a successful tech career. Whether you're interested in software development, IT, or data, we've got you covered. The first step into tech is learning to code. Start with beginner-friendly programming languages like Python or JavaScript. These languages are versatile, in demand, and have huge communities to support your learning journey. Web development is at the heart of the modern internet. Start by learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you're comfortable, dive into frameworks like React or Angular for front-end development and Node.js for back-end development. Data is the foundation of all tech products. Learn how to interact with databases using SQL, the standard language for managing and querying data. Once you've mastered SQL, explore both relational databases like MySQL and non-relational databases like MongoDB. Cloud computing is transforming the way companies build and manage infrastructure. Learn platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure to understand how to deploy applications and manage resources in the cloud. Start by exploring basic services like virtual machines, storage, and networking. DevOps tools help automate software development and deployment processes. Start with Git for version control, and then learn tools like Docker for containerization and Jenkins for continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. If you're interested in working with data, dive into data science and machine learning. Learn how to analyze data using Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy, and explore machine learning models with TensorFlow or scikit-learn. This knowledge is crucial for roles in AI, data science, and analytics. With the rise in cyber threats, cybersecurity is a rapidly growing field. Learn the basics of securing networks, systems, and applications by studying firewalls, encryption, and security protocols. Explore tools like Wireshark and understand concepts like vulnerability scanning and ethical hacking. No matter which technologies you choose, the best way to solidify your knowledge is by building projects. Whether it's a web app, a personal blog, or a data analysis project, practical experience is key. This will also help you build a portfolio to showcase your skills to future employers. The tech industry is full of opportunities, and the first step is learning the right skills. Focus on these technologies, keep practicing, and stay curious. With dedication, you'll be well on your way to a successful tech career. Good luck!